Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a very quick review on a product which I very recently got my hands on. You know, during winters, not just winters, even in general, our skin feels a little bit of dry, flaky and dull. I always search for products which is gonna solve all of these problems, and very recently I got my hands on this amazing product which I'm gonna talk about today. So if you want to know more about this product, please continue watching the video. Okay, so the product which I was talking about is this Vitamin E Body Butter, which is an Indian brand called Wow. This is 100% paraben free and cruelty free. This is what the packaging of the product looks like. So now I'm quickly going to open this box and show you the product. This is a 200 ml of product which costs you for rupees 499. And now I'm quickly going to talk about the key ingredients and then I'm going to apply you and show you the product. So the key ingredients of this product is vitamin E, aloe vera extract, shea butter and sweet almond oil. Isn't it all the goodness in just one particular tub? Firstly, vitamin E. Vitamin E supports in strengthening the collagen structure, which improves your skin texture and gives that natural glow to your skin. Second ingredient, which is almond oil. Almond oil helps to protect your skin from the UV rays and environmental pollutants and keeps your skin moisturized throughout the day. The third and most important ingredient of this body butter is shea butter, which helps to protect your skin and repair the natural lipid barriers, which therefore supports in improving the skin texture and its appearance. Last but not the least is aloe vera gel, which gives that deep hydration to help nourish and soften your skin. Now I'm quickly going to open the product, apply it and show it to you. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. The consistency of the product is completely creamy. Now I'm going to apply it on my hands. You know, this really spreads so easily and is absorbed by your skin completely. The best thing is that this keeps your skin moisturized throughout the day. You can just like apply it once in the morning after taking a quick shower, and then this is gonna do its magic the entire day. Also, this product smells quite amazing. Also, you know, one very interesting thing about this brand, all the products of this brand, is that it comes with a QR code, if you can see it. All you need to do is just simply scan it and know the authenticity of your product and also get amazing rewards for your next purchase with Wow. So yes, this product has worked amazing for me. I hope you're gonna try it, and it is also gonna work very good for you, your skin. This is good for all skin types out there, so no worries, you can get it easily. And how you can get it, all the details are mentioned in my description box, so please do not forget to check it out. And yes, that's it for today's video. I am soon gonna be back with another video, another DIY. Till then, you can follow me on my socials. I'm super active on my Instagram. The link is in my description box. I do videos of makeup, skincare, hair care, hairstyles and a lot more. So do not forget to follow me even there. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.